After rigorously testing 8 GoPro cameras over 3 months of adventure sports and daily activities, I've identified the 5 models that truly excel in performance and reliability. Our comprehensive testing process, which includes stabilization analysis, low-light recording, and durability challenges in extreme conditions, has revealed which GoPro cameras deliver the best results. Each camera offers unique features that might perfectly match your filming needs, so make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Number 5. The GoPro Hero 11 Black Bundle takes everything you love about action cameras and kicks it up a notch. The new image sensor is seriously impressive. You get this massive field of view that lets you capture way more of the scene than before. What's really cool is how you can zoom in or crop your footage later without losing that crisp, professional look. Amazing, right? Let's talk about what really matters. The video quality. You're getting 5.3K resolution, which is just ridiculous when you compare it to standard 4K. Every little detail pops, from water droplets to facial expressions. The water-repelling lens cover is such a smart addition. No more dealing with those annoying lens flares that can ruin your perfect shot. And if you're into slow-mo shots, you can shoot at 2.7K 240. That's smooth enough to make even the fastest action look buttery. The Hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization is probably my favorite feature. It's not just marketing talk. This thing literally won an Emmy. You can be running full speed down a trail, and your footage looks like you had a professional stabilizer. It's that good. Now, I've got to keep it real with you. The battery life isn't the greatest, especially when you're shooting at higher resolutions. The good news is, this bundle comes with 2 Enduro batteries, so you can swap them out when needed. I've also noticed it can get a bit warm during longer shoots, but the compact design helps with heat dissipation, and I've rarely had to stop recording because of it. For what you're getting in this bundle, the value is pretty solid. The stabilization and image quality are top tier, and those extra accessories mean you can start shooting right out of the box. If you're serious about capturing your adventures, whether you're just starting out or you've been doing this for years, the Hero 11 Black hits that sweet spot between professional features and user-friendly design. Really? Number 4. The GoPro Hero 13 Black redefines action camera capabilities with exceptional 5.3K video recording at 60 FPS, carrying forward the stellar resolution while introducing refined processing power. The footage quality is absolutely stunning. Every adventure you capture comes through with remarkable clarity and detail that'll blow you away during playback. One of the standout features is its ready-to-go functionality. Completely waterproof, incredibly durable, and built to withstand extreme conditions without missing a beat. The enhanced 27MP photo capabilities show a notable improvement over earlier models. After extensive field testing, I can confirm that the image quality, particularly in well-lit conditions, delivers professional-grade results. Amazing. For those who found themselves overwhelmed by complex camera systems, you'll appreciate how intuitive this device is. Whether you're shredding trails or catching waves, fantastic. Let's address the elephant in the room. Battery performance remains similar to previous iterations, typically lasting around 20 minutes during intensive recording sessions. The upgraded HB series lenses do provide some battery optimization, which helps extend shooting time. While the device can heat up during extended use, the image stabilization technology remains exceptional, delivering consistently smooth footage even in challenging conditions. It's worth noting that nighttime and low-light shooting still leaves room for improvement. While there are subtle enhancements compared to the Hero 11, it doesn't quite match the latest smartphone capabilities in darker environments. However, the camera's compact form factor and versatility more than compensate. It's incredibly adaptable for mounting and perfect for everything, from vlogging to underwater exploration. For adventure enthusiasts and action sports photographers, the Hero 13 Black stands as a reliable powerhouse, though you'll want to keep spare batteries handy. The combination of superior video quality, rugged construction, and user-friendly operation makes it an outstanding choice. Having evaluated numerous action cameras, this model consistently proves itself as a dependable tool for capturing life's most dynamic moments. Really? Number 3. The GoPro Hero 8 Black Bundle transforms everyday adventures into cinematic experiences. Though it doesn't match the Hero 11 or Hero 13's 5.3K capabilities, its streamlined body design makes it incredibly portable, and those innovative folding mounting fingers make accessory changes a breeze. The reinforced lens glass offers double the impact resistance of earlier versions, giving you confidence during intense activities. The standout feature here is Hypersmooth 2.0 stabilization. While not quite reaching the heights of the newer model's Emmy Awarded Hypersmooth 5.0, it effectively eliminates that frustrating shakiness that can ruin perfect shots. It works flawlessly across every shooting mode, delivering footage that looks professionally stabilized. The Time Warp 2.0 feature deserves special mention. It intelligently adapts to your motion, creating time-lapse videos that flow naturally instead of appearing artificially rushed. Battery endurance follows the typical GoPro pattern. It's adequate, but not exceptional. You'll want to pack extra batteries for extended shooting sessions. Definitely. Low-light performance is serviceable, though not revolutionary. However, when shooting in favorable lighting conditions, the 4K output truly impresses, and the live burst function proves invaluable for capturing those unpredictable split-second moments. Amazing. The bundle's inclusion of essential accessories, mini tripod, head mount, and backup batteries adds significant value. While GoPro products command premium prices, getting these add-ons included represents substantial savings versus separate purchases. Really, bottom line, the Hero 8 Black achieves an excellent balance between capability and accessibility. Whether you're documenting extreme sports, travel experiences, or daily adventures, this camera delivers reliable performance. While newer GoPro models boast higher resolutions and enhanced stabilization, the Hero 8's comprehensive feature set serves both newcomers and seasoned users admirably, particularly if cutting-edge specs aren't your primary concern, right? Number 2. The GoPro Hero 10 Black elevates action camera performance to new heights with meaningful upgrades. The GP2 processor delivers tangible improvements. Interface navigation feels noticeably more responsive and fluid compared to earlier models. When it comes to core capabilities, this camera captures stunning 23 1MP photos and records 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, producing professional quality content effortlessly. Though it doesn't quite reach the Hero 13's 27 megapixel photo resolution, the stabilization technology really shines here. HyperSmooth 4.0 takes what worked in previous versions and perfects it further. Whether you're tackling rough trails on a mountain bike or chasing after your four-legged friend, the footage maintains incredible steadiness, as if shot using professional stabilization equipment. The horizon leveling feature particularly stands out, keeping your shots perfectly balanced regardless of camera movement. Battery performance remains an area for consideration, particularly when pushing the camera with 4K recording or high frame rate modes. Like other Hero cameras, you'll want to invest in additional batteries for extended shooting sessions. However, the robust construction more than compensates. Its waterproof design and durability have proven themselves repeatedly during intensive testing. The practical aspects truly set this camera apart for content creators. Really, file transfers through the Quick app work seamlessly, and the ability to extract 15.8 MP still images from 5.3K video footage proves invaluable for capturing those perfect moments. The automatic cloud upload functionality has repeatedly proven its worth during storage-intensive shooting situations. Absolutely. Considering its comprehensive feature set, the Hero 10 Black represents an excellent investment for dedicated action photographers. While there's room for improvement in certain areas, the combination of exceptional image quality, reliable stabilization, and proven durability makes it a dependable tool for documenting life's most dynamic moments. Just remember to budget for those essential extras. Spare batteries and memory cards aren't included in the package. Number 1. The GoPro Hero 12 Black delivers exceptional video performance with its 5.3K resolution, continuing the legacy of premium action cameras. The level of detail you get is nearly twice what standard 4K offers, and the difference becomes crystal clear when viewing your content on larger displays or during post-production. The HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization technology is where this camera truly excels, improving upon the Hero 11's already impressive system. Anyone who's experienced the frustration of shaky footage while doing action sports will appreciate this feature. I've tested it extensively during mountain biking sessions, and the results rival professional stabilization equipment. It's genuinely remarkable. Build quality remains outstanding, living up to GoPro's reputation for toughness. The camera easily handles underwater depths of 33 feet during snorkeling adventures, and it's proven its resilience after multiple impacts on rocky terrain during hiking expeditions. There are a couple of areas where improvements could be made. The camera still struggles somewhat in low-light conditions, producing noticeable grain in darker environments, similar to previous generations. Also, factor in the additional expense of a micro SD card, as one isn't included in the package. Really, where this device really stands out is in its photo capabilities. The 27 megapixel still images match the Hero 13's specifications, and the ability to extract 24.7 EPR photos from video footage is incredibly useful. Perfect for those moments when you capture something amazing during recording. The enhanced battery performance compared to the Hero 11 is noteworthy, and the user interface remains remarkably straightforward, allowing you to start capturing content almost immediately. Considering the exceptional video resolution, professional-grade stabilization, and reliable performance, the Hero 12 Evolve Black justifies its premium price point for those dedicated to documenting their adventures. While it represents a significant investment, it stands as the most capable GoPro I've evaluated to date. Really.